Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. So today I want to present about my application to task 1 project. Okay, so let us move to the main task. Okay, for here I'm doing some explanation first. Okay, for our task 1 application 2 project is been assigned by Mr. Raziv to revisit our application design developed from our previous semester from the application 1. Yeah, so at this part we are required to take a screenshot for our apps to submit them to ChatGPT to receive a professional feedback, yeah, from the ChatGPT. The objective is to evaluate the design strength and weakness, particularly in terms of UI UX, and to identify the area for improvements for the apps. Okay, so here are the PDF that the feedback provided by ChatGPT. So I will just skip it this part. So if you are interested, can review in my blog and click for the PDF. Okay, here are the redesign apps. Here are some improvement explanations. Yeah, so here are some technical issue. So there are design improvement here. So this part I will also just keep it. Later I will explain in my Figma work file. Yeah. So if you are interesting or very blurry when listening to my presentation, you can just review in my blog what design improvement or changing in my redesign apps. Okay. So I think I'm finished this part. So let us move to the Figma work file. Okay. So as you can see, this is my Figma work file after I redesign and the previous design. So here I'm separate to two types. Sorry, not the two categories. For the top is the before and the bottom is the after. Okay, for the before part is design these apps on application 1, but I'm doing is for very rushing and not really designable things and very messy layout and too much information. Yeah, for me lah, I think lah. Okay, and after that, I'm doing more research and finding more informations and refer to more UI design, more cinema apps design. So I come up with more different new brand new design for my apps. So now I will do the explanation. Okay, so I will explain for each page. So we start from the home page first. Okay, I will talk about what change what changing I'm done. Yeah. Okay, for the home page, let me get more closer. Okay, for the home page here, I'm removed two parts. First part is the select cinema part, and the second part is the category. Why I remove it? Okay, because I remove the select cinema part here and categories here because I think it's not really useful, because this is just a homepage. So for the application booking movie homepage is just for user to review some movie poster or finding the movie they wants. So I think it's no need to select any cinemas or finding any categories because the user can direct search the movie names, yeah, on the search bar. Okay, so after I remove these two parts and I'm enlarge the middle for the poster, make it more bigger, can let user to swipe left to right to refer to the different movie poster. Okay, next I'm doing some changing on the navigation bar. I For the previous, as you can see, is have 5 category here, and the new design I'm just keep 4 here, and the one missing is the profile category. Why I remove the profile category? Because I want to make the the navigation focus on the flow for the bookings only. So the profile is not included in the flow. So I just decide to put it on the right top with the notification beside the notifications. So for the favorite love part, I just put it at the popular movie here because they are the same category. And so for the navigation, I just keep it homepage, movie page, the F&B, and last is the ticket order page. Okay, so overall this is the homepage redesign. Next, we come to the movie page. Okay, for movie page, I also remove some unuseful categories, like the top here, like the category here. Why I remove? Because these two are sticking together. I think it's too much information and make the layout too messy and too much thing here. And also you can see have a available seat and selling fast here. I also remove it because I think it's not really useful, because the user will not really care about these informations, because their goals will just for booking tickets. Okay, so after I remove these top and bottom things, just only keep the date. So as you can see the new design, I just keep the date here and make the design is more simple and easy to let user to find their information and select their date. Yeah. Okay, they also will select the cinema here, so no need to put once again at the home page. Okay, so overall here design, for the all new design I'm using more dark theme on like dark blue colors and one light red colors for the buttons. Why I'm choosing this color is I think this apps is more focused on teenager or young people lah. So for now I think young people is more like dark mode, so I just direct create a more darker application. Yeah. So why I'm choosing light red for the selected things, because I'm using dark background, so I need one light color to extract the user, to catch the user eyes and let the user know this thing is selected by the user, and so I will apply on some buttons or some important informations. Yeah, so overall I think just some simple changing here and remove some categories. Okay, next we come to the movie detail page. As we can see, the movie detail page is, I'm doing much changing here. Almost I think not have same thing inside. As you can see, the previous design here is very simple and not have design and very shit layout. Yeah, for me lah, I think ah. So it's very not color, have not any color combination here. So after that, I'm doing new movie detail here page. Okay, I'm remove some rating and recommends this information here. Yeah, I think this part also no need too much information here for the detail page. So I just remove it and make the poster more bigger and let the user can know more nicer lah, the layout, and the user can catch the user eyes. And here are the rating, so I just put the movie rating here and less informations, because too much word and text will make all the layout look very messy. Yeah, so the user will, for now people is not really reading the text, so just keep it lesser. Okay, and also I add a book ticket button here to let user can, after review the movie details, they can just direct click the book ticket buttons and booking the tickets. Yeah, for the previous is not have button here, so I just adding the new one here. Okay, next we come to the select seat page. So for this page, I just keep it simple. I just changing some background colors, top bar colors, and the button color. So here, as we can see, have three colors here. So I'm using the light red color to let user know this seat are be selected by the user. Yeah, and after they done select the seat, can just click the button to proceed to the next part. Okay, next is confirm seat page. So this page, I think I just changing the background poster and some colors for the buttons. So the poster I'm changing because for the previous I'm using all blur, so I think it's unuseful lah, very not nice. So after that I just put it like mm, some layer blur. Yeah, so from clear and to some blur, and some have information here, and some buttons red. I'm changing the red color, yeah, to let user know the informations, the important information. Okay, so that's all for the confirm seat page. For the next is F&B. So F&B, I'm just keep it very simple. So I just direct change the background color and the top bar color, and all the things I just keep it same. Okay, next is checkout page. And for the checkout page, I think also same. I just use back the information from the confirm seat page and changing the background and top bar colors, because for the checkout page it just have some information to let user review, like how many ticket they are purchased, the feed or the food drink they can add, or some voucher they can use the promotion voucher, yeah, some things. And the buttons are changing to the red color. Okay, so next is payment page. So for the payment page, I think it's the simple one, because just the page to let user check out and confirm the payment to proceed their payment. So this page I also just change the background color and the top bar colors, so no need to do too much design here, because if too much information or too messy here will just make the user confused during the payment. Okay, so now is the my order page. So the order page is here are user after done the payment, the ticket will appear in the my order page. So which is the ticket, yeah, on the navigation, on the last category of the navigation. Yeah. So here for the previous design is very simple. I'm using very white and very plain color, so it's look very boring. After that, I'm decide also changing the background and top bar colors, and make the columns in more 3D. So I adding some shadows and lower some opacity to make it like more like pop up columns. Yeah, more 3D lah. Yeah. So that's all for the my order page. So last is a ticket QR page. For ticket QR, I also just changing the background and top bar colors. And for the ticket at the middles, I think I will do more design, but for now I will just keep it like this for now lah. So after that, because I'm not really know how to design here, yeah. So after that I will do more research and finding more reference, yeah, to redesign again for this part, because I think for this part is the main goals is just let user to have the QR code and scan the QR, so it's not really need too much design here. Yeah. Okay, here are the overall scenes. Oh, sorry, overall scenes for the previous design and the new redesign during the application 2. Okay, So I think that's all for my presentation today. Hope you like it and thank you for your listening and your attention. Thank you.